The resizable text feature lets you create buttons on the page or in the menu so that app users can increase and decrease the size of the text within a project. Here's an example of the resizable text feature. The buttons to the left are used to control the size of the text in the text frame to the right. One button is set to decrease the text size, and the other button increases the text size. The text frame below is set up the same way. I have also defined menu items that can increase and decrease the text size instead of or in addition to making buttons on a page. The menu items can control the size of the text across a whole page or project. Let me show you how this is built. The first step is to place text frames on the page and assign the resizable text feature. The most important thing to assign is the channel. If the channel is set to 0, this is the only channel that is controlled by a menu item. If you want to make buttons that can only increase or decrease a specific box, you can give each box a different channel number. For instance, in the example I just showed, only the top right box is controlled by the menu buttons. This is because the resize channel is set to 0. The resizable box on the bottom left is set to the channel of 1. Therefore, only buttons that are set to control the channel of 1 can affect this box. Now let's have a look at the buttons themselves. The button on the left is the zoom in or increase text size button. When I select that image, you can see that the button enrichment has been added to the image. It is set with a tap action to tell the reader to execute zoom in text, and the channel has been set to 1. When I select the button to the right, you can see it too has been set as a button with a tap action that tells the reader to zoom out text, and it has also been set to the channel of 1. Therefore, these buttons can only control the resizable text frame with the same channel setting. When I choose the button above, you can see that it has the channel setting of 0, just like the text frame, as you would expect. Now for the menu buttons. To add menu buttons, you need to go into the project settings, then to the AVE tab, and choose the menu bar on the left. You can see that the menu bar items have been added, as well as the icons. And of course, just as a reminder, these menu buttons only control text frames set to channel 0. I hope this video helps clarify how to set up and test the text resizing feature in the AVE digital publishing platform. Thanks for watching.